Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a card carousel and add it to a Lodgify website. Let's get started. The card carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Lodgify editor. Please note, the widget's content will not show on the Lodgify editor and will only show on the preview and on the published site. In the Lodgify editor, select the page you want to add the widget. Now, click on the Add New Widget button at the top of the page. Select the raw HTML widget. And in the HTML window that opens, simply paste the code you've copied before. Click the Save button at the bottom of the window to save your changes and close the window. Now, place the widget wherever you wish on your page. Click the Publish button at the right top corner of the screen. And that's it. Now, the card carousel will show on your website.